Whoa, holy Moses. We have a bulldozer in action. Terry Tyler here, man. If you want to be in the film, do you want to be in the film? If you want. I can't guarantee I can give you any loot. But if you want to be in for posterity, you can come in. I'm here. I got my buddy with me. Do you want to introduce yourself to the world? We're talking on the live phone. Either way, we've got this dozer here, man. People are actually able to move and shop and move. Strategic usage of the claw here, United Rentals. Hey fellers, man, what kind of work's going on here, man?
We demoing.
Demoing it.
Yeah, tearing her down.
It looks pretty good, man. How in the world does this stuff get done, man?
Machinery.
That hydraulic arm, eh? Check out that thing. He's trying to grab that. Looks like a central air unit up there. Ain't no telling how much that's worth. Oh man. Whoa! Yeah, look at it hissing. All the gas coming right out of it. Yeah, don't breathe that in. I mean, there's a lot of worse things you can breathe. But check that out. That, my friend, is how we extract an air conditioner. Now, always though, like, say for example, who are y'all working with?
EA Demo.
Huh?
EA Demo.
EA Demo. Do y'all have a website?
Yeah, they have a website.
Y'all go ahead and check out the EA Demo. If you need demo, you need construction deeds, you need things done, these guys come in here in a real jiffy, and they can just, just pick out these little things right here with their machine, and oh yeah, don't forget to shop at Aldi or Marshall's, Hobby Lobby. As you can see, the people are safe. Everything is going on. Everything is okay. All right. With that said, if you want to check out more adventures, go ahead and click subscribe below, and don't forget to check into some of the playlists. It was fun spending time with you. What? What can you say?
Are you on Facebook Love?
No, YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
What can you say to the world? Something great, if you could. Do you want to say? Well, sometimes it's hard to say, and sometimes it's hard to see. Let's stand strong. Take it easy.
What's your YouTube channel?